Okay, what we got going on today at the roof project, and they are forming for our poured concrete walls. Just stick with me here, and I'm going to take you through exactly what they're doing and what our plans are for the house. Okay, first here we have the pool. This is the for the pool cover. You got our drains. We're going to have a couple rooms coming outside of here. We're going to have our pool room, exercise room, bathroom, and a utility room. Also going to be poured here. Got the drains out here for the pool. Estimated we're going to be about a little over 100 yards of concrete for these poured walls. I'll turn you around here so you can see what's going on. We started on our bottom wall here. Now this isn't as high as the other ones because this one's going to get traditionally framed. Now up here, this is our retaining wall, and then it continues on to our walls here. We got our anchor bolts going in all the way around. With the next loads of concretes, we're going to end up finishing this wall here, the porch wall, and the pool. We have everything poured now. Forms are ripped off. We have to put 2-inch insulation on the inside of the exterior of the pool wall. This down here is inside with the house, so we don't have to put the 2-inch insulation down in there. We are going to waterproof this interior wall right here. We do have our things formed. This is for one sliding glass door. That's for a man door. That's for a man door down there. It's going to be exposed except for the bottom here for grade, and it's going to get stone on the whole side and all around the exterior of the house. It's fell on the hole there. We're going to have a sliding glass door here, a sliding glass door here, and a sliding glass door here. Here is their porch. It is going to be filled up a little bit more, and it's going to be a solid concrete porch. Let's take a little walk. Grade is going to go roughly from here all the way down into that corner. We've got some more stone coming as we speak. Walk over here. We got 2 pillars here. They're going to extend all the way up, and from here all the way across is going to be a porch. I'm sorry, it's going to be a deck going all the way across the front of the house. These are actually going to extend all the way up and also act as support for the railings. Out of the house, this is going to be the finished basement. We are going to have a door down here as well and some windows, so this is going to be just wood framed. We got our pads for our supports, beam pocket all ready to go, and we're getting a steel beam from here all the way across here, but we kind of have to split it down the middle because we're going to have 2 because we can't span across that far. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Like, share, and subscribe.